What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. So rates took a huge beating these past weeks, and I'm getting information from many sources that many REITs are cutting their dividends because of what's going on. Well, my advice to you guys is, remember, when you are a dividend investor, you have to have multiple sources of income. And Fundrise may be one option, realty income may be another option. But again, you got to diversify because one sector is going to take a huge hit. And rates took a huge hit, but if you have other stocks and other sectors, defense sectors and other sectors, energy stocks, oil and gas, you're going to be okay. You got to diversify your portfolio and your dividend portfolio or your IRA. Now, why do you think all these ETFs are, you invest in VOO or some of these really good exchange traded funds, QQQ, or some of those really good stocks, even the S&P and all that, if you invested in them? Well, look, they're going to take a hit, but they're so diversified that it's not going to matter. Now, as a dividend investor, you should always invest in multiple companies. Look, I invested in Iron Mountain. I invested in, I'm in LTC. I'm in many real estate investment trusts. But that's okay if they take a big beating because, that's going to go back. The market fluctuates. It goes up and down. And you guys just need to be patient. You guys are dividend warriors out there. Just let the market fix itself. It's eventually going to fix. Make sure you're diversified in other sectors and stuff. Watch my videos. I just have an M1 finance portfolio on different type of companies and stuff. That's why I invest in fast food. On my channel, I have multiple stocks, technology stocks and everything. And that's why I'm diversified because, it's important to have, many stocks. Well, let's just not say many stocks, but many diversified stocks. And that's really my message. And I know my buddy Cash Option on here is grilling me, but really, this is a huge test for Fundrise. This is a huge test for Rich Uncles. This is O's really big test. How often are you going to have quarantines and stuff in a nation with this with this bug? I can't say it, but really that's what it's all about. So make sure you diversify your portfolio and keep your options open. Don't panic sell just because realty income and some of these stocks are taking a beating. Leave them alone. Let the dividends fix themselves. If they hold off, it'll be a month or two and they'll be back in business. So just hold there. Be patient. It's like wine. Wine. You want a good wine. You want to take time, let it grow. Let it ferment and stuff. You don't want to have it right away. You want to take things slow. So that's probably my best comparisons. Let it grow, give it time. It's going to go up and it's going to go down. It's like school or sports. Teams have up and downs and then they end up being champions. Clemson lost a game, they won a national championship. Ohio State lost a game against Virginia Tech, they're national champions. Alabama lost to Ole Miss and they're national champions. So, things happen. Just be patient. Go back to your fundamentals. Go back to your basics. Go back to your strategy and just stick with the game plan. That's what it's all about. So, just be patient. Let the things flow. Let the dividends flow through you and go from there. All right, this is my message. I'm going to post a video probably on Fundrise tomorrow, and maybe a quick one, my M1 finance with some dividends I bought. All right, thank you.